Here's why you inspect a home while it's being built. Take a look at the debris behind me. This is part of the foundation, and instead of using clean fill, they're using candy for termites. We don't want debris and gravel filling up the drainage pipe, and we want that wood out of there. As the backhoe equipment was digging up this trench, they hit the foundation. This is why you need a home inspection while the home is being built. And I'm walking the crawl space and I'm looking at the walls and the columns, and I think behind me, can you see what the problem is? That one is leaning over. Handy level, and on that side and this side. And so for the foundation drainage, the gravel needs to extend away from the footing a foot. And so we have the foundation wall, the parging, the bituminous, the protective drainage layer, the wrapped drainage pipe, the gravel, but the gravel is supposed to extend at least 1 foot from the edge of the footing this way. Concrete block, parging, bituminous, the drainage, perforated pipe, it's wrapped, but there's now dirt there. We need to push this away, and there's supposed to be an edge of the footing, and the gravel is supposed to extend at least 1 foot from the edge of the footing. Just a few reasons why every home being built needs a home inspector. Overseeit.com. Overseeit.com, and find your home inspector to oversee your renovation or home building project.